What's going on, my foodie fams? Thanks for coming back to the Urban Culture Kitchen. Today we're gonna do some stuffed pork chops. So let's get into, slicing a pocket to stuff the pork chops. And I'll show you, get a little paring knife or something like that, something small. What you want to do is cut along this. So right here, make sure you have a sharp knife and cut down into it to make a little pocket. And that's how you start. So you want to make sure, it's just right when you're, just not evenly on each side, stuff like that. And just, slide it, but don't cut it all the way through, like that. I think that's about, as deep as you would like to go. Like that. And then we're going to get it to stuff. One gauge is if the tip of the knife hits the bone, you're right at it, and just stop. And that's all it is. And there goes the pocket. And we're going to get ready to stuff it next. So what you want to do is, so this is the cavity that you're going to be stuffing it. You can season it. I'm going to season a little bit inside the cavity. So you just, this is Uncle Steve's, competition pig powder. So just season it a little bit inside. And what you can do is, we're going to be stuffing it with some dirty rice, but you can also stuff it with some boudin. If you don't have no boudin, get dirty rice or jambalaya, stuff like that. But this recipe, we're going to be doing, dirty rice. And we're going to stuff it in. So, yeah, just get a nice portion or amount to stuff it with and stuff like that. You can stuff it with your hand, spoon, and stuff like that. Put enough. Mind you, this pork chop right here can feed a couple of people. For me, it can feed me just one. But yeah, and the pork chop is real forgiving. So you just stuff as much as you want. It just depends on how much you would like inside and stuff like that. So just stuff enough. You don't want to overstuff it, because when we sit in the grill, when the meat draws up, it actually can start coming out. So I think that's about it. When you see a little good pocket of it, there you go with that. And finish it off with seasoning it with the pig powder on the outside. Get it all the way coated all the way through and stuff like that. This is a really good seasoning to season it with. Put your rub, pat it down, flip it on the other side, and finish it off. And we're gonna be getting ready to preheat the air fryer, the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. And that's about it, guys. So let's get over to preheating the Ninja Foodi Grill and get ready to put the rest of these pork chops in there. And that's all it is. So we're gonna get ready to preheat it. So turn it on, press grill, put it on maximum. So you just press grill again, max, and just press start. And so after this preheats, we're gonna put on the stuffed pork chops and get to grilling. It's ready to, put the pork chops in. Don't forget to adjust the level of it to high and put it on 15. We're gonna be putting it on 15 minutes. And place your pork chops in. These bad boys are huge, sizzling, All right, so that's all you need to do. It's done, sizzling, and just put it down. And when it actually, it's gonna beep and let you know. So one thing I like about this Ninja Foodi Grill Smart Grill, it actually when it gets the halfway point, which is gonna be probably 7.5 minutes, it's gonna beep to tell you to flip. And it's actually gonna be giving you the instructions. So when it flips, we're gonna be back to show you when I'm flipping these pork chops. It's time to flip. Ooh, it's looking pretty good, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. So I'm getting ready to flip it. Hey, them grill marks looking pretty good. Hey, now, so this will be the last cook. Don't worry about nothing coming out, because, hey, it's all going in the same spot. So now we're gonna finish it off. It's looking like it's doing very well. So let's let it finish its cooking. All right, so once this finishes up, I'm gonna plate it up and tell you what I think. All right, so it's done. So let's see what we have. Whew, looking good. They pop it out a little bit. That's all good. No harm, no foul. All right, you guys. Plate these bad boys up. Look pretty good, you know. All right, so this is what it looks like. It looks so far so good, you guys. So I'm about to get ready to plate this up, and you guys tell me what you think about it. So this is a large piece of meat. You know, we already got the starch. Now we need some vegetables. So this is a great salad to go along with it. This is a coleslaw salad with a southwestern dressing on it. Always pair it up with some good vegetables. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.